How to create an invite link for your Discord server. So first you want to select your Discord server from the Discord app, and then you can go to any channel and you can press this create invite button, or you can right click on the server icon and then go to server settings. And from here you want to go to invites, and then you can click on create invite link. And now you can basically click on edit invite link under the link right here, which is this hypertext, and then set the expire after. You can set this to expire in a certain period of time, or you can set it to never, to leave the link valid forever. And then you can also set the number of max uses. So maybe you want the link to be invalid or expire after 1 use or 20 or whatever. So you can set that, or you can set it to no limit to keep it valid forever. And then click on generate new link. Now you can simply click on the copy button right here, and you can send that link to whatever person, or can share it anywhere to make people join your Discord server. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.